Good morning everyone, a warm welcome to the Department of Anesthesia, Critical Care and Pulmonary Medicine. Dr. Deepak Tempe, he is a visiting professor in the Department of Anesthesia in ILBS. He was the ex-professor of excellence in GB Pant Institute, New Delhi. He was the former dean of Maulana Azad Medical College and was awarded Dr. B.C. Roy National Award as an eminent medical teacher in 2006. And he is an editorial board member of various national and international journals, and he is an author of 6 books. His hobby is playing cricket.
Professor Rajiv Uppal sir, he is a visiting professor in our department. He is ex-director and head of Department of Anesthesiology from GB Pant Hospital, New Delhi. Sir has over 40 years of experience in the specialty of anesthesia. Sir has received liver transplant anesthesia training from King's College Hospital, United Kingdom. Sir's areas of interest are difficult airway management, transplant and hepatobiliary surgery, anesthesia for hepatobiliary surgery. Sir's hobby is reading and fitness, and sir enjoys gymming.
Dr. Gaurav Sindhwani is Associate Professor in Department of Anesthesia, ILBS. He has done his MD from Jawaharlal Nehru Medical College, Karnataka, PDCC liver transplant anesthesia, and his areas of interest are transesophageal echo in liver transplant, pediatric liver transplant and pain management. His hobbies are playing cricket, carom and badminton.
Dr. Neha Garg ma'am is an associate professor in the Department of Anesthesia in ILBS. Ma'am did her MD from PGI Chandigarh, and ma'am has done her SR-ship from prestigious AIIMS Delhi. Ma'am completed her European diploma in anesthesia and intensive care. Ma'am's areas of interest are transplant anesthesia, liver and GI surgery, pain and regional anesthesia. Her hobbies are reading novels and cooking.
Dr. Udit Dhingra sir, he is Assistant Professor in Department of Anesthesia, ILBS. He's done his MBBS from JSS Medical College, Mysore, Karnataka, and his MD from Kempegowda Institute of Medical Sciences, Bangalore, Karnataka. He's done his PDCC liver transplant anesthesia in ILBS. His areas of interest are perioperative hemodynamic monitoring in liver transplant, and he enjoys swimming.
Dr. Anil Yadav sir is an assistant professor in the Department of Anesthesia. Sir did his MBBS from GS Seth Medical College, Mumbai, and sir did DNB anesthesia from Medical Trust Hospital, Kochi. Sir was ex-SR in ILBS. Sir's areas of interest are perioperative pain management and donor hepatectomy. Sir's hobbies are jogging and gymming, so we can see sir jogging around the entire hospital. And sir is also the most student-friendly faculty probably in the entire ILBS.
Anand Mohan Agarwal sir is Associate Professor in Department of Critical Care Medicine. He done his MD from NHL Municipal Medical College, Ahmedabad. His areas of interest are use of ultrasound in critical care and mechanical ventilation in ARDS, hemodynamic monitoring.
Dr. Shivali ma'am is also an associate professor in the Department of Anesthesia and Critical Care. Ma'am did her MBBS from LHMC Delhi and did her post-graduation from Maulana Azad Medical College. Her areas of interest are pain management and critical care. Ma'am enjoys gardening.
Dr. Debajyoti Bhattacharya sir, he is a professor in Pulmonary Medicine Department in ILBS. He done his MD Medicine and MD Pulmonary Medicine from AFMC Pune and DNB Respiratory Medicine. He has done his European Diploma in Respiratory Medicine. His hobbies are playing badminton, gymming and reading.
Dr. Arvind Tomar sir, he is an assistant professor in pulmonary medicine in the ILBS. Sir has done his MBBS and MD in respiratory medicine from IMS BHU. Sir was an SR in LHMC Delhi. His hobbies are playing badminton, swimming and gymming.
Thank you and a warm welcome to the new batch.